Hi guys, today we playing this game called the easiest game ever. Let's playing and wow, what is this game? Bruh, wait, what is this bar? Bro, let's pushing him. Bro, let's go pushing him. Wait, what is happening to I tap this? Nothing but touch him. Oh, you won. That's cool. Let's get joining. Okay, I rejoined this game called the easiest game left. That's so easy. But what is happening? What I push this bar? He win and I lose or what? Let's see. Bro, let's skip this. I will skip this. Fast! It's yellow. What is happening? I jumping. Let's this. And the black we what? Oh, I died. Fuck. Fair. Rejoin. I get rejoined. Wait, I have an idea. I will watch YouTube. What is happening? I found the yellow bar. I watching YouTube. Bye guys. I watch it, and if you this, bro, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Let's see if that's real. What is this? Bro, what is this? Where is the music? Ooh, cheese. What is happening? I touched the cheese. Cheese. Okay. Guys, yeah. Okay. I watch it again YouTube, and what is happening? This. YouTube he said to me, but it's not working. Okay. That's new. Whoa, this music is creepy. Okay, apple. Guys, but not that ending I will get it. I will get it this ending. If you touch the cheese, but we... Why I died? Guys, I died. Let's skip this. I died. Why? I'm back. I'm back. I have a 2. But I don't know now. Let's watching again YouTube. Guys, I watched YouTube, but I see bug, stop it, bug, stop it. I will skip this. Guys, finally I'm there. And if you choose the letter, take the key and watch YouTube. That's a copy. I skipped because I don't have our endings. I don't know our endings. If you this person, I watch it for real. I don't lying. Okay. If you get there, get out. You. If you get a score, that's a secret room. What? And now? What? Now what? What we do here? Guys, I don't know what I do now. Let's keep. Guys, I don't know. What? What the? How I died? Ah. But I don't know what has happening. But yes. Yes. A money bag. Money. Okay, I don't want it. Let's please. Yes. What is happening now is the I lose. That's the ending. No, I lose. I lose. That's the ending. I lose. But what? What is this? I don't know. That's a secret room. Whoa, get here. No, no, there. Right here, you stupid bar. I lose. Or, huh? Let's starting. What is this? The ending. Super wine. That's cool. Guys, this game I like it, but another ending and bye guys. Let's keeping. Guys, I'm right there. And what is happening here? Oh, what is a dynamite? Okay, half seconds. Let's keep this seconds. I'm there, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.